Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In continuation to ongoing series of minerals on my channel Food Cyto, today I am going to discuss about our next micro mineral, that is manganese. Manganese is a transition element which can assume several oxidation states ranging from -3 to +7. However, in the living tissues, it is found in the divalent, trivalent or tetravalent oxidation states. An adult man weighing 70 kg is estimated to have 10 to 20 milligram of this metal with 20% of the stores in the skeleton. As represented here, relatively high amounts of this mineral are present in liver, pancreas and intestine. Amongst the food sources, we have whole grain cereals, nuts, green leafy vegetables and tea. It is to be noted that Indian diets high in foods of the plant origin supply an average of 8.3 milligram of manganese per day. Let's discuss about its functions. Like other microminerals, manganese also functions in mammalian enzyme systems. It can function both as an important component of metalloenzymes as well as an enzyme activator. Manganese is involved in a number of enzyme catalyzed reactions and thus performs many important functions. For example, antioxidant activity, as manganese protects against oxidative damage. Apart from this, it is also involved in carbohydrate metabolism and maintaining the integrity of cartilage. Discussing about its deficiency, with respect to humans, there is a little evidence of manganese deficiency as this is widely distributed in a variety of foods. However, symptoms of deficiency include dermatitis, depressed growth of hairs and nails, hypocholesterolemia and weight loss. Now let's talk about its toxicity. Manganese is considered to be the least toxic of trace minerals through the oral intake. Majority of manganese toxicity cases have been reported from the individuals exposed to airborne manganese in the industrial areas in excess of 5 milligram per cubic meter. Manganese toxicity is a severe health hazard resulting in serious psychiatric symptoms. For example, hyperirritability, violent acts, hallucinations and poor coordination. This table represents the average intake values for manganese for different age groups. That's all about manganese. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.